Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here with on another how-to. Basically, all you're gonna do is be switching your air filter today. Pop this clip right over here. There is another clip on this side, exact opposite, and there's one more a little farther back, right here, right by your intake. All you're gonna do is hold this up with one hand like so against the brim and lift this out. If you take a look here, you can already see the seal's kind of coming off a bit. Make sure your seal's completely seated. But if you start seeing bugs and stuff, or it's getting really dirty in here like that, this can affect your gas mileage. Make sure that you replace it. It is pretty dirty, and if you look it up at the sky, if you can't quite see 100% through it, you know it's bad. I can see a tiny bit right along these ridges, but it's definitely gotten really, really dirty. I would suggest replacing it. Again, it's another cheap item to replace when you're doing your next oil change, and you never know what you might find in here. So if this is really, really bad, you might want to consider cleaning your throttle body later on. A little bit hard on these Hondas because they put the throttle body in the back, so you'll have to unscrew it from back here to do it. A little bit more fun. It's very backwards engine. But other than that, that's all there is to it. Putting it back in, hold this all the way up. Make sure you reach in here if you can. And if you see any leaves or anything like that, just kind of pull it out, or you can take a vacuum and quickly run it on in there. Grab this as you're holding it up. Just reseat this back in there like that. Make sure your seal is all the way good. After you've done that, seat, close, close, close. Done. That's all there is to it. Press like if it helped you out and subscribe for more.